melanin-rich beauty queens deserve the best treatment with nourishing, toxic-free elixirs that are exclusively formulated for them, like Botulinum's line of skincare products. As you apply Botulinum's gorgeous natural honey micellar cleansing oil on your skin, it'll work as soothing milk that will entice your senses. It's packed with humectants to prevent transepidermal water loss and plant-based extracts to control trauma and sun damage, induce hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and skin tone evenness. It also has specialized enzymes to tighten enlarged pores, and its moisturizing and excellent cleansing properties make it perfect for sensitive skin. With its luxurious texture, it's also suitable for a rinse-off application. Botulinum's products will leave your skin clean without stripping it of its natural oils. It's a splendid treatment for the skin of a goddess. Botulinum, beauty products made with your beautiful melanin-rich skin in mind.